We're here at the intersection of Franklin and Merritt Mill to discuss improvements that the Department of Transportation, along with the town of Chapel Hill and Carrboro, has worked to develop. We identified some deficiencies in the pedestrian corridor through this intersection. Basically, if you're coming from Carrboro heading to Chapel Hill, the sidewalk basically came to an end and you were limited in the crosswalks that you were available to cross to the other side of the street. So we have connected the pedestrian corridor through this intersection. We've made all the necessary connections. So what you're going to see is additional sidewalk, additional crosswalks, additional ADA compliant curb ramps. We have installed pedestrian signals. There are also bike loops at certain locations for the signal. There was also some wayfinding signs. Both towns wanted better direction through the intersection. The intersection is not a great geometry in that it's in the middle of a curve, and it has 5 different legs approaching that same intersection. They had also requested ways to improve the direction through the intersection. So you'll notice that there is a new median island that's been installed. So with the improvements that we're providing, it should allow pedestrians and bicyclists a much safer way to transition through this intersection. This project began in the 2016 State Transportation Improvement Plan. It came to me as a highway improvement, which meant I was looking for vehicular improvements. So as we started looking into different alternatives, everything that we attempted to do seemed to cause a great disruption to the businesses and the intersection in general, and the costs were starting to rise tremendously. The initial highway improvement project was estimated to cost around $775,000. Once we got into design and started looking at all the different alternates, we realized we were not going to be able to achieve that budget to provide vehicular improvements. So we coordinated with the town of Chapel Hill and the town of Carrboro to try to get a better understanding of what they were really looking for at this intersection. After several meetings, it became clear that they were looking for pedestrian accommodations, bicycle accommodations, basically to address all the traffic modes that utilize this intersection. So once we reevaluated the project and identified the new pedestrian project, the cost came to about $350,000. In later part of 2020, there will be a resurfacing project and resurface it and provide the stamped crosswalks that also accommodate this intersection.